shuffle my feet. You'll never get the best of me. Your sticks and your stones.
This cocktail is one of the first cocktails that started the Tiki culture cocktail movement. This is, of course, the Mai Tai. This cocktail originated in the 1940s at Trader Vic's in California. Let's make one. To start, we get our cocktail glass. We have an old-fashioned glass. We're going to fill it with crushed ice. Okay, just set that to the side. This is a shaken cocktail. So we grab the small shaker, and we're going to pour an ounce of white rum. Ounce of dark aged rum. Have our orange liqueur, ½ ounce. And then we have our Orgeat syrup. It's an almond flavored syrup. We have 0.75. Then, to finish this off, we have a full ounce of fresh lime juice. So using a hand citrus press, I'm just going to squeeze this. Perfect. Pour the ounce of the lime juice into the shaker. Now we're going to add ice and shake. Add the large shaker on top. Make sure it's nice and sealed. And then we're just going to shake hard for 5 to 8 seconds. Split the shakers. We're going to double strain this cocktail. We do have the fresh lime in there and the broken shards of ice. Strainer on top, tea strainer. And pour over the cocktail glass with the crushed ice. Now once we're done, we're just going to add a little bit more crushed ice to give it a nice visual cone. Like so. And then the garnish is some fragrant mint. So getting a couple of mint sprigs, give them a little tap on the hand that just helps release the flavor. And just put them to the side of the cocktail. That way, when a guest sips that cocktail, they're going to smell that fresh mint that complements the rum. And that is the Mai Tai.
Put my head down, shuffle my feet. You'll never get the best of me. Your sticks and your stones.